It's cake. We are currently on a train going around Thorpe Park. I apologise, didn't vlog much yesterday, apart from that. Earlier after. Oh god. We just like went over a bump. We're going over another one. What's happening is just like gonna go around park in this train, and then I'll probably vlog when I'm on the way back to the train station, because yeah, and then probably vlog again after I've got off the train at Scunthorpe.
Oh, the train stopped thinking that we were waiting for the
This hurts.
What's up?
She's live streaming it on Facebook because why not?
Hit me up.
Look, it's all the caravans.
Yeah, like.
And then there's just Charlie / Vanessa, whatever you want to call it. Are you taking a selfie?
No, because I was caught as well. Why not? Wait. Wait, record me recording you. Record me recording Dharma. There you go. Okay, so we're avocado. Oh, look, it's a stop movie. This is Katie, this is my wifey. Hey, there you go. This is my other wifey.
Hello.
This is Charlie.
We are going to be a trio of wives.
This is Dharma. I actually said her name correct once, so... oh my god, Brody! Brody's watching. Hi, Brody.
We've like stopped somewhere.
Choo-choo.
Oh, this was the stop that we were standing at! We were stood here for about like what? 15 minutes, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then we decided to go to the shop because we couldn't be asked to wait anymore. I hit my knee off that!
Shout out to Brody. He was like choo-choo.
Choo-choo! Ah!
Yeah. My life's a mess. Just like my hair.
Oh, my chest and ass hurts.
Oh no, I have a bump in a second.
Oh no! We are going to die.
Yeah.
It's going slow.
Oh, this is great.
Why do the bumps kill us? It hurts.
I'll try.
Pain. Who knew a train could cause pain?
Train pain.
Hashtag train pain. We're going over another bump.
Hashtag together.
Look, another bump. Oh no.
We're gonna die. Oh! I love how everybody else was like, that's what happened. Nice.
It may seem like it's not that bad.
27%. Oh dear.
It may seem like this train journey may seem not that bad, but it's not. It isn't that bad. It's just when we go over the bumps, we just like all of a sudden
Oh my god.
Going
scary
up.
Clown. I'm here with clowns. It's freaking me out, man. It's fine. Yeah. It was so
It hurts when we go over the freaking bumps. Like hell.
Are you recording me? Yeah, of course. Oh, okay. Mystery mask. Find the face. Oh god, that's scary. Yeah.
What we've done what we've been doing over the weekend is what we've been doing is, like I said in the last part of the vlog, is we went swimming, then we chilled, drank a bit, then went out.
What? Drunk bleach. What are you doing on that?
If we drank bleach, I'm pretty sure we would be dead by now. You bought chocolate?
Yeah, go on now.
Yes.
I need my daily food. Oh, she said we look pretty. You too, darling. You too. What?
Oh god.
I can probably get used to this when I see Anthony. Anthony, don't watch this.
Oh, chocolate!
My brain does not like when the snake bite enters your veins. What? Brody was like, drunk bleach. You need drunk alcohol. Same thing.
This hurts!
I am usually bleach in this voice.
There's a car behind us.
Yay.
Just
And your accent. Oh, thank you. I like your accent here.
Oh God, no!
Brody is like fucking congratulations.
This is just random kids screaming at us, running after us with a freaking water balloon. Fancy! No!
My skills.
Yeah, after part of the vlog yesterday,
When Charlie looks like he's super.
we end up chilling out the caravan, had some something to drink, and then got ready, went out. What?
I'm done. I just wanted a whole piece of chocolate.
Yeah, I ended up drinking alcohol, because, you know now. Oh God. And then we went to the show bar.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. It didn't work, it was bumping. Open your mouth.
Went to show bar,
Why
chilled
is that
there for a bit, came back. These two went into the bed. We
went into the bed.
I was sat in the living room just drinking, chilling,
Okay, it doesn't want to work.
going through social media. Cause why the hell not? We are almost at the. We're almost back where we started. Pretty much back where we started.
Yeah, but it goes all the way up there.
Yeah.
I can't believe you said that.
I was recording that.
On the same point into the ring.
I was just recording that, which I was like, just rave. There's more people coming onto the train.
This is Dharma.
Hello.
Brody, she looks and sounds like acts exactly like you. Just without glasses.
just without glasses, you know.
She's you without glasses.
Yeah, apparently you're my twin.
Yeah, this is Charlie's Western bitch face.
Apparently
I clown Charlie, look.
Oh God.
I don't like clowns, so let's just not look at them.
Yeah, according to Casey, I've got a twin. Who
Casey?
Is it Katie?
I may as well have a code name like you guys.
Hi! I just had to try and get into that live stream.
You've got to not swear now. I mean,
You cannot.
I've already
You
said
can
my
like barely see the
innuendos,
bus,
man.
but you know.
Okay.
This is going on for about 9 minutes now.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm probably gonna end the live stream here because Brody,
Yeah.
don't call out. I'll try not to. I'll try not to.
I think I'll leave this part of the vlog here.
Okay, day.
I will vlog when I'm on my way to the train station. So I'll have a chat with you then.
Dharma, any final words?
Bye. I don't know.
Peace.
Yeah, yeah, so this is going to be the end of this part of the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. If so, smack the ass of that like button. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah.